Hey guys, today I am doing a different video. It's a tutorial on Minecraft Bedrock Edition this time. Sorry I haven't recorded for a while. My OBS is broken and I can only record with this. Like if I record with this, it won't work. Like if I if I put view mode on for any of these, it won't mirror. The only thing it mirrors with is full screen, so that's a little annoying. If you have any suggestions to help, please comment below. But anyway, let's get on to the video. Okay, so you open Minecraft and you can go on your world. I don't care. If you do this on a survival world, then it won't break. It won't turn achievements on. So you can do this on your survival worlds. I'm just gonna do infinite. Okay. Oh yeah, I forgot. This is a tutorial on how to make super enchantments. Okay, so just place the item down in a hole, I guess, and throw it down. Yeah, like that. Well, no, first, actually, you have to enchant it. You can do this with an enchantment table, with with the command, with an anvil, it doesn't matter. So, give yourself any enchantments you want to be overpowered. It doesn't have to be a certain level, it can just be one. I'm gonna do knockback and looting. Okay, so this is good. Now you have to throw it down. That's like really important. You have to throw it down in the hole. Then quit the game. Make sure it saves. And then you have to exit out because the game won't update the world if you don't exit out. I don't know why. Then open up MC Tool Chest and go to File, click Open. You can find your world. And then click world map. Then you see a player head. And click it and then zoom in. Don't zoom in too far, it's a glitch. It just lags so much if you zoom in too far. Okay, so it's gonna pop up this if you click the chunk where the player is. If you zoom in by the player and then you click the head, it's gonna put a box around it. Then open up, and it's gonna pop up this on the other window. Open up the spot where it says entities. If it says 45, then it's an item, and that means that's what you're looking for. Then open up the 45 entries. Open up item, open up tag, open up enchantment. And open up both of these. It just depends on how many enchantments you have, like how many tabs it will be. Now if you want to find the ID list, type in Minecraft Bedrock enchantment ID. Just click this, I don't know, and it will show all the enchantments. If you just look for the okay, knockback is 12, so the other one must have to be looting. So for knockback, I want the ID for this is the ID for that. Okay, I want this. We'll double click level, and then change it to whatever enchantment level you want. So you can change this to 100. I don't know. And then you can change the looting to 10. I don't want it to lag. And then once you're done editing your enchantments, you have to do this, or you're gonna lose all your progress. Click File, and then Save. Okay, now you're done. You can close MC Tool Chest and open Minecraft back up. It always takes forever to load. Okay, now you can go in your world, and it should be... Yep, it's super enchanted. I'm gonna test this out on the sheep. Oh my gosh, it's dead. Oh, it gave me 8 mutton because of the looting. Oh my gosh. That chicken went far. Oh my gosh. The experience pops out like where it drops. That's weird. Baby sheep. Oh, now I feel bad. But anyways, thanks for watching. Please consider subscribing, and yeah, please just subscribe. I don't have a lot of subscribers, so bye.